Hi, I'm Shannon.
And I'm Scarlett.
And we're with HealthyUNCG, UNCG's Employee Wellness Program. This is week 2 of the 3S Challenge, and today Scarlett and I are going to demonstrate our favorite way to drink more water. We like to infuse water with fruits and vegetables to add extra flavor. Scarlett is going to demonstrate 2 of our favorite recipes today. The first recipe is a lemon strawberry. Basically what you do is just have a pitcher of water. We've sliced up some lemon, and Scarlett is just putting some lemon in there, and she squeezed more lemon juice in there. We also chopped up some strawberries, and she's going to put those in there. She will stir it up, and the longer you have your fruits sit in the water, the stronger the flavor will be, so that will really depend on your preference. The second recipe we have is a cucumber mint recipe. So we have this infuser bottle where you would put the fruits and vegetables in the infuser, but you can also use any water bottle that you have. But this one just allows you to not drink the pieces of the fruit. So she's putting these in there, and like as with the pitcher, this one you can have sit for as long as you like to get the stronger flavor. So she's putting that together. So this is a perfect way to drink more water on the go. If you have any favorite recipes that you want to recommend, comment below and let us know what your favorite ones are.